Tara, subukan natin. The refund. Not one, but twice. The biggest. The biggest merch ni Boss MG. And look, so cool guys. Meron siyang QR code dito. At pag in-scan mo siya, sobra nakakatuwa kung ano yung makikita mo. Kaya Boss MG, look! I got this! Let's go try this!
One love, the fucking vibes.